last week Saturday I sold using ChatGPT and Facebook. So hello guys, good morning. I know you'll be like, because this video set is like more of a review and more of me speaking to myself. You know, this channel I created it for the sole aim of self-development and self-improvement. So I've not really created and drafted out my life's goal and life plan, but I kind of have the structure of what I want to do. Yes. So this video is to tell you and to congratulate myself on the victories I have been having. So last week Saturday I sold using ChatGPT and Facebook. So we are cashing out using ChatGPT because there are so many advice, generous advice that are coming from ChatGPT, that's coming from this AI platform, and they are good, they are working, because yes, we have like a structure of what we want to do, but the step-by-step patterns, especially when you are doing all these things for the first time, the step-by-step pattern and all of that. So ChatGPT helped me with 1 or 2 prompts, advice and all of that. So I set up my Facebook account. I was able to use it to sell. I sold 3 products. If you look at this video, you will see the screenshot and all of that. I sold 3 products. Even though it's not massive, it's a sign that yes, this thing is good and there's future here. You understand? So the second thing I was able to achieve this week, that selling of products was last week. Then this week I was able to achieve Google's approval. You know, I've been requesting, I've posted my products and all of that on Google, and it has been showing pending that my business is not yet public, but today morning, after making some intercession and all of that, today morning my product is online. So we are live on Google. So if you search on Google for Ignite Pest Solution, you see it here. I love you guys. I just pray I will try my possible best to create out more time for myself, so that I can achieve a lot in this year, because time is money. So thank you for watching. If you like self-development content and you want to be part of my story, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video to fellow guys who are passing same trouble and same struggle like this. It is okay to be in a point where you literally know what is going on. Like, you cannot even, it's okay to be confused sometimes, but you have to just share up, breathing, and you continue. Love you guys, take care.